It's interesting that we should begin this conversation by asking the question as to who is a gig worker.
I think a good place to start is to start with the proposition that there is nothing actually called the gig economy.
काम के लिए निकलते हैं, जब नौकरी के लिए पहुंचते हैं कहीं, तो आपकी क्या अपेक्षा होती है कि नौकरी मतलब क्या क्या चीज़ें होती है?
तो लोगों की मतलब इमेज इस तरीके से बनी हुई है कि यार ये गरीब है, मतलब छोटा है तभी टैक्सी चला रहा है.
So the one big reason why aggregators refer to platform-based gig workers as partners and not employees and labor is only because they do not want to come under the ambit of the labor regulations.
वो इसलिए लिखित में आपको कभी वर्कर नहीं मानती क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें जो हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, ये हमारे अधिकार है अगर हम वर्कर हैं.
Whatever they want to call that person, they can call that person a penguin.
You can't use terminology in order to deprive workers of their basic rights.
1.5 महीने से तनख्वाहें रोक के रखे हुए हैं.
Unnecessary पकड़ ले रहे, परमिशन बताओ बोल के बहुत टॉर्चर कर दे रहे.
Person who is on a road for 15 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours a day, his lifespan is going to be shortened, which has to be considered for every government, immaterial of state or whichever government is ruling.
While aggregators argue that contracts include an exhaustive list of grounds on the basis of which aggregators have the power to block IDs, the first problem remains that these workers don't even have their physical copies of their contracts with them.
1872, the Indian Contract Act is 1872. So even at that point of time, that is the consciousness about public law. And that is what these fellows are violating.
Who are contributing for your business?
Including delivery partners.
What partners? They are the lifeline for you. What partners they are? I've got any data that every person who's working with you, he has spent so many number of hours and you have got any data about it?
We ensure that the payouts is
I'm asking you, have you got any data?
We are rejecting the definition in the Social Security Code.
That curve is just big. All these business models are bound to get renegotiated.
That's the way law changes. It's always an uphill task. Law is an instrument of social change. And we have to change the status quo, which is dictated by the aggregators and their well-paid lawyers.
अब बारिश है, हमने तो डाल दिया कि सर आगे गड्ढा है और कस्टमर ने बोल दिया सर गड्ढा नहीं है तो गड्ढे में से निकल के जाएगा राइडर.